take it down.
Oh, let it love everything into our lives again.
That's to me, ladies them.
Oh, God, I love you. I want you to know. Oh, I love you. Yeah.